Hi there, I'm going to show you how you can transfer and hold your PEPE coins from your exchange, such as Coinbase, into a hardware wallet, such as this Trezor. This process should also be the same for if you've got a Tangem wallet or a Ledger Nano X or S. Just do a small transfer first, but the process should be the same. Firstly, go into your wallet software, so in this case my Trezor suite, then make sure Ethereum is enabled. That's because the PEPE coin is an ERC20 token, and that means you'll be receiving on the Ethereum address, and it will then appear as a token. So go to Ethereum, and we want to receive to that address. Let's confirm that. And copy. Okay, I'm then going to go to my exchange where I hold my PEPE coins. I'm going to then send. I highly suggest a small transfer first, just to make sure everything works before you send a bigger transfer, such as what I'm doing here. And let's go ahead. Okay, back into your wallet software. You probably will have to wait a couple of minutes, but you should see the PEPE coin token appear in your Ethereum area, in this case under the tokens tab. Okay, it's appeared, and in a few seconds it should appear with the balance as well, and price. That's how easy it is to transfer and hold your PEPE coins into your hardware wallet. If you have questions, ask below and give it a thumbs up. Thanks.